What's up everybody, hope all of you are doing well, and in this video we're gonna talk about the best gaming headset. A gaming headset greatly affects your gaming experience. Not only a good gaming headset helps you in getting immersed in your gaming, but also it helps you to perform better. There is no doubt in saying that a good gaming headset can take your gaming to the next level. A good gaming headset helps you hear the footsteps and motion of your opponents to find their exact locations. We have presented to you a list of 7 best gaming headsets. This listing includes headsets from all price ranges. No matter whether you are looking for a budget gaming headset or a high-end gaming headset, this listing has everything for you. The headsets in this list are listed by considering different factors such as price, design, sound quality, mic quality, etc. And we hope that it will prove beneficial for you and will help you in making some nice decisions. So at the number 1, we have Razer Black Shark V2 Pro. This headset is basically a wireless version of Razer Black Shark V2X. Razer Black Shark V2 Pro costs you around $180, although it's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's actually worth it. The sound quality in Razer Black Shark V2 Pro is absolutely amazing. It will not be wrong to say that there is no other headset in the market with a sound quality like this. The driver construction in the headset is broken up into 3 parts called triforce. It tunes the highs, mids and lows individually. You can take advantage of Razer 7.1 surround sound and also their certified THX sound. They both feature their Triforce titanium 50mm drivers. When it comes to the battery, its battery can last up to 24 hours. It has an amazing design. It has a little volume wheel on the rear cup through which you can control the volume. Some of the built-in features are also present at the back of the left ear cup, like you can mute your headset, you can turn it on or off, and you also have a port to charge it. If you're looking for a premium quality and luxury headset, then Razer Black Shark V2 Pro will be a good choice to go with. At the number 2, we have HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless. HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless is the wireless version of original HyperX Cloud 2. It costs you around $80 and the design of the wireless version is almost the same as the Cloud series. It offers very nice sounding 53mm drivers. The ear pads in the HyperX Cloud 2 series are made from premium leatherette from HyperX. On the back of the left ear cup, there is a mute button and power button, while on the right ear cup, there is a volume button and a USB Type-C port. As of the sound quality of HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless is just as good as it was in the wired version. There isn't any drop in terms of sound quality, and it also comes with a really good mic which makes your sound clear. HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless offers you 30 hours of battery life. The frame in this headset is made of aluminium, which makes it super flexible and also durable. As of clamping, HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless offers you really nice clamping. HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless is also a premium quality microphone and you can go with it if you are interested in its specs. At the number 3, we have Logitech G Pro X Wireless. Logitech G Pro X Wireless is a wireless version of Logitech G Pro X. This headset beautifully expands size-wise. This headset will set you back around $199.99. It has about 20 hours of battery life and the design of Logitech G Pro X Wireless is almost same as the design of the wired version. Logitech G Pro X Wireless is a little bit on the heavier side because of the material used in its manufacturing. On the left ear cup, it has a Type-C charging port, a mic mute button and a volume button. And the microphone in this headset is detachable. The headband is made of leather and comes with premium quality. When it comes to the sound quality, Logitech G Pro X Wireless has a decent sound quality. As of the mic quality, it is better than most of other headsets in the market. The mic quality changes a lot when you activate the Blue Voice. This Blue Voice software allows you to add the presets. As for the final words, I will say that if you are looking for a premium quality headset, then I will recommend you to go with Logitech G Pro X Wireless. At the number 4, we have HyperX Cloud Revolver S. This headset will cost you around $150. HyperX Cloud Revolver S comes with a plug-and-play Dolby Surround 7.1 module. This feature provides you with an immersive experience while gaming. Having proper virtual surround sound offers you the ability to track and lock your target no matter from which direction the enemies are coming in. This headset is certified by TeamSpeak and Discord and it has the same design and drivers as found in the original Revolver. In HyperX Cloud Revolver S, the plastic and glossy finish on the ear cups is replaced with the rubberized material. Also, the color of HyperX logo has been changed from red to white in this headset. It comes with a 2-meter splitter cable, a 2-meter USB cable with a plug-and-play sound module, and a detachable microphone. It is very easy to move the microphone around. The microphone comes with noise cancelling ability and it has 1 meter long, thick and flexible cable. Although it's little bit short, but it will help you in cable management. As of the plug-and-play USB dongle, it comes with high quality sound processor which also processes the Dolby Digital Surround sound. This USB dongle helps you to adjust the volume, and it also has an equalizer that cycles through 3 different presets: bass boost, flat and finally vocal. On the front side of the USB dongle, you will find a mute button and a Dolby Digital 7.1. These buttons turn red when enabled. As for the final words, if you are looking for a great headset offering great features, then we will recommend you to go with this one. At the number 5, we have Cooler Master MH630. Cooler Master MH630 is one of the best budget headsets for gamers. This headset will cost you around $59.99 and it comes with a really simple design. The ear cups in this headset provide you with nice padding. Cooler Master MH630 comes with a detachable cable which is really cool. The main material which is used in the manufacturing of these headsets is plastic. The bass and audio in this headset is nice. These headsets provide great value for $60. Cooler Master MH630 is offering a great sound quality for such a low price, which is really amazing. These headsets are quite light in weight. Cooler Master MH630 comes with 50mm neodymium drivers which greatly contribute to the sound quality. The microphone in this headset is removable and is of good quality for such price. On the back of the left ear cup, there is a volume control and a mic mute button. The ear cups in this headset offer you 90-degree rotation, so you can easily hang these headsets around your neck. If you are looking for a headset which shouldn't cost you much and should be of good quality, then this headset is purely built for you. At the number 6, we have Razer Kraken X. Razer Kraken X is another budget headset and it will cost you around $49.99. It has a nice design with a little logo on the ear cups. The ear cups in this headset are free to move and comes with a nice fabric padding. The mic in this headset is flexible and adjustable. One thing that is important and you need to remember that the cable in this headset is not detachable. Just like the previous one, this headset doesn't weigh you a lot. When it comes to the headband is made of good quality plastic and is fully adjustable for big heads. The controls in Razer Kraken X are also present at the ear cups. In controls, you have mic mute button and a button for controlling volume. This headset has one of the best mic in this price range. If you are low on budget, then this headset can prove beneficial for you. And at the end, we have HyperX Cloud X Stringer Core, the most budget headset in our list. This headset will cost you around $40 and it's the cheapest one in our complete list. HyperX Cloud X Stringer Core comes with the cables on the both ear cups. There is also soft fabric padding on the inner side of the headband. Like the previous one, the ear cups and the headband are really flexible and adjustable. The headband is made of flexible plastic, having HyperX logo at the top, and it will not break even on rotating. The mic in this headset is also flexible and adjustable. You can easily adjust the mic to a place where you feel comfortable. There is an inline control to mute the microphone and for the volume control. The microphone in this headset is of decent quality when compared to its price. The design of HyperX Cloud X Stringer Core is very simple and not too fancy at all. Both the mic and the two cables are non-detachable, and if you are looking for a mic with nice quality and low budget, then HyperX Cloud X Stringer Core will be a good choice to go with. So that was all from this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for the latest updates, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.